question comes under implicit differentiation under unit 3. And here we have some equation and we need to find out dy by dx. And I'm not going to make y the subject here in order to find out dy by dx. Instead, I'm going to differentiate it directly using the concept of implicit differentiation. So we have y square minus 2x square y is equals to 8. So now, in order to differentiate y square, you need to think about a chain rule. So something to the power of 2 would be 2 into same thing, 2 into y to the power of 1. So this is differentiating it using a power rule. Then multiplied by the derivative of inner function. The chain rule goes something like, you should always differentiate the outer function by keeping the inner function as it is. Then differentiate the inner function. Here the derivative of inner function, which is the differentiation of y, is nothing but dy by dx. Then minus, and here we have a product of two terms. So whenever we have a product of two terms, we need to apply the product rule. And the product rule goes something like this. I'm going to take this minus 2 common out. So in that case, I'll just have x squared times y. And if I apply the product rule, which is if I have u times v, and if I'm applying a product rule, the product rule in differentiation goes something like this. Derivative of u times v will be equals to u dash v plus v dash u, which is nothing but the derivative of first term by keeping the second term as it is, plus the derivative of second term, keeping the first term as it is. So in that case, according to this one, so the derivative of x square would be 2x multiplied by, we keep the y as it is, plus the derivative of y is going to be dy by dx, and we keep the x as it is equals to, and on the other side, so we have this derivative of a constant, which is the derivative of constant would be always 0. And now we have it something like 2y into dy by dx. And when I expand this, this is going to be minus 4xy, then minus 2 into dy by dx equals to 0. And minus 4xy, I'll take it to the other side. And out of these two terms, I'm going to take dy by dx common out. So if I take out dy by dx common out of these two terms, I'll be left with 2y minus 2 is equals to 4xy. And if I make dy by dx the subject, I'll be getting 4xy divided by 2y minus. Okay, here we have missed out something. Here it was multiplied with the first term. So I had written it like x. So it's supposed to be x square. And here it has to be 2x square. So it has to be 2y minus 2x square. And in the denominator, I can factor out 2 common out, cancel out with the numerator. When I do that, the final answer I'll be getting is 2xy over y square minus x square. And this is the right answer for this question, which is option B.